I'm out here with the Nano Plus. I had to turn off that damn obstacle avoidance. Boy, that was driving me nutty. But yeah, we're gonna fly it around here a little bit. That update 1.6.5. Yeah. Wow, nice. Real nice. Boy, this camera on here has some wicked nice color, man. I'm telling you. Oh yeah, it's a real nice flyer, man. Real nice. The fall colors are coming around. You see that? Look at that. Wow, that reds are coming in real nice. Yep. Real nice. Real nice. There's Penn Center over there, and there's where I'm at over here. Right there's where I'm at. Oh yeah, the color on this thing is really nice, man. Really nice. Then you can look up here is the street and the neighborhood right up there. Yeah. Pretty cool. I got some bugs crawling on me. Some buggies. It's a little breezy today, but you know, I know this Nano can handle it. There's somebody with their dog is showing up. And there I am. Yeah, so we brought it out here, check this update. These updates are always fun, right guys? It's always fun city with these updates, man. Wow. But yeah, it flew great. Wow. Flying fantastic. Wow, really great. Really great stuff. Let's see here. Okay, we're gonna put it back in the standard mode. Yeah, get off that brown over there. Did you see that? Did you see that? Here, watch this. Watch this. Well, I went around there and just started going nuts there for a second. Pretty weird. Happens over at that other place when I run over the infield too. Oh, here's that gimbal with self-check. Well, they haven't gotten rid of that. Okay, so we got to go with our gimbal with self-checking. It loves doing that. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later, man. I'm going to wrap it up. Yeah, the update, no problem. No problem.
That's all, folks.